The word we'll be learning in this section is kigu, which you will often hear in situations involving preparing food, conducting experiments, or doing crafts. The word kigu means tools or equipment in English. It typically refers to small to medium-sized instruments or devices that assist in accomplishing a task, especially in settings like kitchen, workshops, or laboratories. The first kanji means a vessel or container, and by extension, a tool or capacity. You can see it in kyo, where it gives the sense of skill, as if someone has the right container for handling things, and in kikai, where it points to an instrument or apparatus. The second kanji means a tool or ingredient, and often marks items you use. It appears in dogu, meaning tools, and in gotai, where it helps form the idea of something concrete or tangible. This is a convenient measuring tool. これは便利な計量器具です。これは便利な計量器具です。He bought a new health device. 彼は新しい健康器具を買いました。彼は新しい健康器具を買いました。I bought cooking utensils. 料理器具を買いました。料理器具を買いました。I use product manufacturing equipment. 私は製品製造器具を使います。私は製品製造器具を使います。The most common synonyms of the word kigu are dogu and kikai. The word dogu generally refers to tools or implements used for a task, often by hand. Meanwhile, kikai indicates a machine, usually power-driven, performing a specific function. The most common antonyms of the word kigu are shomohin and namami. Shomohin refers to consumables or expendables, items that get used up. Conversely, namami indicates something live or biodegradable, contrasting with inanimate equipment.